A third of Americans are obese. Another third are overweight. Obesity is the biggest threat to our health, welfare, and future of this country. Unless we're able to control this epidemic, we're going to have an abundance of chronic disease. We must take this as not only a personal health concern, but also as an urgent national priority, or we're all going to pay a serious price. We need to do something different. We're not just talking about another diet. We're talking about choosing a new way of living that will radically improve your health. Imagine having more energy and being in the best shape of your life. All of us have to take personal responsibility to be a part of the solution. Are you ready to be a part of the solution? Are you ready to make a change? Are you ready to be challenged to be the best person you can be? Explore the Zeal for Life Challenge. The Zeal for Life Challenge is designed to help you achieve the real you, the healthiest and most physically fit you, and to do it with the support of a group of like-minded people led by nationally renowned fitness expert Peter Nielsen. If you want to improve your health and feel you deserve to be your best, we challenge you to a better life. We believe that together, we can make a difference. Come join us on our crusade to change America one person at a time. Watch the upcoming videos so that you can learn more about this extraordinary opportunity to transform your life.